In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a product roadmap using Notion, a popular tool that many project managers, designers, and product teams use to organize and plan their work. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along and create your own roadmap in Notion. First, let's get started by opening Notion. You can do this by navigating to the Notion website or opening the Notion app on your device. Once you're in Notion, you might find yourself on the home page or at a page you last worked on. From here, pay attention to the top of your screen. You should see a small arrow there. Click on that arrow, which will allow you to access more options within Notion. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for you to bring in templates and other resources that you'll need to build your roadmap. The next thing to do is look for the Templates button and click on it. Notion offers a variety of templates, and by utilizing them, you can save a lot of time and effort because they come pre-structured with everything you might need. They'll help you set the framework for your project without starting from scratch. Once you're in the template section, the next thing you'll want to do is to type product roadmap into the search bar. Notion's search feature works very efficiently, guiding you directly to any template you might need. As you type product roadmap, Notion will automatically filter the templates based on your search query, and you should see the product roadmap template pop up on your screen shortly. Click on the product roadmap template. This template is specifically designed to give you a structured way to plan and track the development of your product over time. It's a powerful way to visualize what your team should be working on now, next, and later. After selecting the template, look for the Add button and click on it. By doing so, you're effectively bringing this template into your Notion workspace where you can start customizing it. Once you've added the template, you'll be prompted with an option to Add to Private. Choosing this will ensure that your roadmap is private to your account and not immediately shared with others, allowing you to first test and configure the settings and structure according to your preferences. The final step is to click on See Template. This will open up the template in your workspace. Here, you can start editing the roadmap, filling in the details relevant to your project. You can update tasks, set timelines, and assign team members, among other things. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a product roadmap using Notion. The template not only offers a great starting point, but it also gives you the flexibility to customize and tailor the roadmap to fit the unique needs of your team and project.